This is my 2015 to 2017 intake, or Gen 2 for the Mustang GT. Just completely stock intake. And these are the stock fuel injectors. They also came on the 15 to 17. I was running ethanol off these stock injectors. These are the IMRC's lockouts for the new one that I got. Replaced it with is the 2018 or Gen 3 intake, but it's been ported by 1320 Junkie. Let's see. And the injectors, I replaced those suckers with, can't really see them, kind of sucks, kind of blurry, but they're the Ford Performance 52-pound injectors. You can find those in the 13 to 14 GT500, and I'm going to remove this sound tube, stupid sound tube thing. I'm gonna delete that. Just gotta find the little parts for it, and then after that, it's time for boost. Go with a centrifugal setup and just roll out. Have fun.